Finally got my friends in the
Go
back
on
of my
our
roller.
shelf.
We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the roses. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. So of course I'm on my way from work. It's Friday and I just thought to do a few errands before I head home, just because I don't plan on leaving the house tomorrow or during the weekend. So I'm gonna firstly check out Shoppers just to find some skincare products because my skin is going through it, so I just want to see what I can find if I do find anything. And then I also want to check out Ikea. So I'm gonna carry you guys along. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you can share it, all it will mean the world to me. Thank you. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the roses. Spend all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. This or this one. Hi guys, can you see my face? I just got back from work and I'm feeling this my look. So I'm like, let me show you guys what the look was for today. Very colorful. Oh guys, so I just got back. I don't know if I need a microphone. I know I don't need a mic for it. It's been such a long week, guys. Oof. So you guys saw me. My first stop was at Shoppers. I didn't know what I wanted. But one thing I wanted was a sugar wax. I want to try waxing. So I've like left my hair untouched for a while so that I can try it out. So I got the Vit Pure Sugar Wax. This was the only thing I managed to pick. And I also need like an exfoliant. I almost picked the Zarst one, but I'm like, that thing is so small for $22. I don't know. So I'm like, maybe I should do the Paula's Choice. I'm not sure. And since Paula's Choice was not there, I'm like, no, don't pick anything. Don't pick anything. So I didn't take anything other than this one. I want to do like a self-care maintenance, day tomorrow, this weekend. Cause guys, like I need it. Period. I need it. So I'm gonna do like an at-home maintenance vlog.
So I then from there I went to IKEA because, like, I'm just tired of waiting for the weekend, and Obi's not going to be around available for us to go out shopping this weekend. So I'm like, let me just stop by at IKEA and pick what I need. I don't need anything serious, so I can just get that. You guys saw what I picked, but I'll show you again. But yeah, so this was what I ended up picking. I want because I'm decorating the bathroom, so I wanted like a drop-in plant to go on our shelf that's in the bathroom. So I went with this one because I like the subtle green color. It's not like the other darker green. The other darker green, it just looks fake. Even this one looks fake to come up close because it's shiny. But like, I just prefer this color. I don't know why. And actually, it comes like this. And I saw this one. I'm like, this would be nice, just to serve like a gold accent piece in the bathroom, like just a touch of gold. And it was just $1. So yay. Those are just the things I picked from IKEA. You see? And I bought some plantains. First time ever I saw some plantains that are almost ripe. So yes, we're going to have that. We have leftover beans from like during the week. So we'll have that tomorrow. What else did I pick? Oh, I got some bananas. We've been eating a lot of bananas these days. Bananas don't go to waste anymore. Well, aside from one other one that I bought, but that was because I got already ripe ones. So yeah. Put it there. Also, I'm currently doing like I've already done one. Like I'm trying out some interesting drinks, like very refreshing summer drinks. Because we're in the summertime. So I'm just interested. I just picked interest in those, DIY cocktails, mocktails at home. And I made one that was so nice. Even Obi tried it out himself. We did enjoy it. So I got some more drinks to do some more recipes, which will be going on my YouTube shorts and my TikTok and Instagram. So I got cranberry cocktail, some strawberries, lemonade. Oh, and I got carrots because I want to do meat pie. I have minced meat already. I also got some kiwi fruits. I have some of the other things that I will be needing already. So yeah, those are the things that I got, guys. I shouldn't have even stressed myself because like I don't feel the best. But because Obi is not going to be around tomorrow for us like to drive there and pick these things, I'm like, I might as well just stop and take them. So that is why I did all of this. Good morning, guys. This is going to be like the realest video you've ever seen on this vlog, on this channel. It's Saturday, and I just got out of bed at 10:30. This is new, and I am so happy I was able to just stay in bed and take things slow and not do the typical, oh, I have to do this, oh, I have to do this. Oh, nah, I decided to give myself grace this week because this week I was going through it. But anyway, there's a lot of things to get done in this house. Obi is gone to work, so he cannot help with a lot of things here. So I'm just gonna try and do as much as I can. Hi guys, so I just got done doing the dishes. I've loaded the washer with some clothes, and what is next? Sweep this floor. I'm hungry, by the way. What do I want to do next? I think I should eat. I'll eat, then I need to go brush my teeth. I need to go brush my teeth, then eat, and yeah, I'm just gonna carry you guys along. Yeah, as the day progresses. So you're spending the day with me. Fun. So right now we have some clothes there that are yet to be folded. Obi just packed them out there. We have some other batch there, and this one, see, it's a mess here. And we have those ones right there that need to get washed. They are waiting to be loaded in. Yeah, let's tackle that. So guys, as you can see, it's just a lazy Saturday where I'm just trying to push myself to get things done and just, to tidy up the house a bit. So I just made the living room area, the kitchen and the laundry my assignment for today before I resume editing a vlog. Right now I still don't, and yes, I still do not use my dishwasher. I am adding buttermilk to my pancake. By the way, I'm using pancake mix this time. I don't know, I just thought to buy pancake mix the other time I went to the grocery store. And adding buttermilk to your pancake, whether pancake mix or the regular flour, gives it that extra fluffy texture. Yes, it does the job. Like, try it and come back and tell me that you did it to come back.
Like this like car it's going and I want to see so I got myself like some juice.
I just got done editing. Oh my god, the time is past 4, almost 4:30. This is 4:28. Well, it's actually because I have my attention span is like this. Literally, I want to concentrate on editing so that I can do that, edit the vlog, edit a reel at least. But then I get distracted by what's it called? Insta. I hope you can hear me because I can't find the microphones. I'm embarrassed just saying. I used this thing this morning, the microphone, the thing, the receiver, right? The thing you connect to the phone. I can't find it. Anyway, I'm done editing now. I want to just relax while it exports. Then I will get started with editing a reel. That is all for now. So I just wanted to pop in here because we are vlogging, right?